What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to Comment Sunday, the day of the week where I just basically read out your comments on the videos I did during the week. As I said, guys, this is a car discussion channel, so we're here to discuss, and what better way than to give ye a platform to voice your opinions so other people can see what you say. And if you're new to the channel and you want to basically, give out your thoughts and opinions, want people to see it, just hit the smash the subscribe button, get involved, hit the bell icon, comment below, guys. That's all you gotta do, and I'll bring it up every Sunday. We have 4 videos this week. I might do my comment Sunday from last Sunday to see what comments on that. So I'll try and not keep these too long, guys. Sometimes they just get really long, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I want to cover all your comments. So we'll go from the recent back, and my most recent video obviously was Stradman deciding to spray his wide arch Aventador pink, and there was a few others covered inside that as well. But as the comments go on this one, West Coast Turbos, another regular commenter of mine, thanks for the comment. That pink is stupid. He's doing it for views. I bet Jeffree Star funded the money and would buy it. Strad's more for business rather than a true fan base, in my opinion. Yeah, well, that's what it is, guys. You got to, if that's what you think. I mean, it's funny. I wouldn't be surprised if Jeffree Star did fund it for him and ends up buying it off him. That would be hilarious, and I wouldn't be surprised if he actually did. Jeffree Star loves pink and purple cars, so if he does buy it off him, he does buy it off him. JK Florida, at least it's not purple. True. That is true. At least it's not purple. He is trying to do different colors, but yeah, I think pink and white is a bit too much for me. Italia Tilly, another regular commenter of mine, again, thanks a million for commenting. I love the guy, but I just don't understand the pink and purple colors, for fuck's sake. Again, true. I mean, for me, guys, I do like purple, I'm not gonna lie, but I wouldn't be as successful as the Stradman to use it. I'd like to use it on one project car, but it wouldn't be my staple color. If you want to know what my staple color is going to be for the channel, it'll probably be coming up here, because yeah, I'm not into, I like to have different colors. Next video after that was Shane reacts to Supercar Blondie buys her first hypercar. Now, this was debatable. Life Apollos covered this, Aaron, right? And I had to watch it because I want to see what he say. And this is what I mean. He's supposed to be news. I get it. But that's why I discuss. I'm not news. And this is the difference between me and him, as in me discussing. Again, guys, it's got hypercar looks, but it's a chassis of a C8 and a C8 engine that's tuned, naturally aspirated. And Aaron didn't call that out. He's not going to step on, YouTubers' toes with this kind of stuff. I get it. You have to keep them happy, whatever. But for me, fuck it. I call a spade a spade. And a lot of these people in the comments below said the exact same thing. I would love to be able to do what she's doing, but I get, at the end of the day, a C8 chassis with C8 engine, that's not hypercar. It's just got the hypercar looks, and it isn't the hypercar money. So Jimmy Sipes basically said, or Sips, sorry if I pronounced her name wrong, totally agree, it's a kit car. Having said that, it does have a great look on camera, and with the right colour, Vega Blue McLaren, I think that's maybe that colour behind me, it could be amazing. But it comes down to fitment, functionality and personal choice. I would not spend crazy money on a kit car, even if I had the only one. At the end of the day, it's just a C8. Absolutely nothing wrong with C8s. I like the current stock configuration and build of the C8, but for the money, there are so many choices. Happy driving. I can't disagree with him that one. It's a good post. So I agree with him what he said there. Let me know in the comments below, guys. You agree with him as well. I tell you, Tilly, that's one pricey kit car. Again, guys, that's what I would look at it as a pricey kit car for 650,000. It is a very pricey kit car. Jeremy Prepaway, good old Jeremy, he's followed me lately. Thanks a million, man, for commenting. Yeah, I think the hypercar has to have 1000 HP. I think V8 is also not really hypercar. Again, agree. Like, it's, you know, we're talking V12 over 1000 horsepower. I mean, everybody's different way they want to call a hypercar. But everybody's opinion is different. I applaud her for getting one. It's definitely going to be, you know, one of the different cars, only one of 24 being built. But, you know, unless you tunes it up even more higher in twin turbos it, again, guys, just me. So this video was, could this be Stradman's new V12? Now, this was sent to me on Instagram, guys. I checked the account. It looked like the account was recently created, so it was obviously a dud. As Stradman came out and said basically that his V12 is coming from Canada. I think it is going to be a Mercy anyway, but it's definitely not the car I had posted in this, you know, either. So I was off. So West Coast Turbos basically said never knew Strad can drive standard. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he drove a standard rental car a few months back in one of his vlogs, and I'm pretty sure he can drive standard. So yeah, I let me know in the comments below, guys, if you've seen Stradman drive stick before. That would be interesting because I'm pretty sure I have seen him do it. So yeah, I know it's definitely not that one anyway. So I don't know which car it is coming from Canada. So again, guys, tell me what you think below, if it's going to be the Diablo or Mercy as well. This one is, oh yeah, Dave got his new exhaust for his Porsche GT3 RS, which sounds amazing. I really like this. It just makes the car sound unbelievable. I know now it's the lava orange, and it's a really, really nice color. I mean, it's going to be, I just really like it. I don't know. I don't know if he's still going to wrap it or what's he going to do, but it looks like he's going to go for more power and a new set of wheels. But yeah, I just really love the exhaust in it, and found my favorite rainbow car paint. So again, guys, this was where I saw my favorite color on a car. For me, basically, I love rainbow. I love that kind of a flake. It's just me. If I had a staple color for the channel, it would probably be it. So I have to ignore that stuff. Actually, I have to delete that. One life to live. Great video, bro. Thank you for the comment. You know, it's great to have people comment like that. I hope you're enjoying it. The GT3 is mint, as we know. And sports and touring, Anthony, my friend over in the UK. I always say cars are individual. The look on that car isn't for me, but everyone should express themselves in their cars, and pretty boring when it comes to colours. He's pretty boring when it comes to colours. Again, guys, I don't hate on, like, look, for example, Stradman going pink. I don't hate him. It's just it wouldn't be the color combo I would go for. You know, anybody can say they don't like a color or like a mod on a car. It's just saying it in a way where you're not a complete fucking dickhead. Like, you know, you don't have to be. We're all here for the cars, and I would never like absolutely trash somebody's car because of the way they mod it. If it wouldn't be my taste, I would say, look, it's just not my taste. But I'm sure they put a lot of work into it. As in, I know a lot of people wouldn't like that rainbow flake for the car. If I get it done on one of the cars, I know you get a lot of haters, but you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, it's your own individual color, and that's what modifying cars is all about, as far as I'm concerned, is expressing your individually. I wasn't trying to pronounce it, but you know what I mean. Yeah, it's just, that's what I just think at the end of the day is that's why it's a hobby. So don't be afraid to step outside the box. I think in the last one, yeah, Italio, this was like from last week. It's been an interesting week in the car community. And Jeremy basically, Prepway said, LOL, I think DD completely served XL Racing on the last night's video. They admitted there was previous turbo A12, but Mansouri was the one who did it first. LOL, they completely didn't even acknowledge XL Racing, making them look pretty dumb. XL Racing have commented on me about the Mansouri. They are making a video about it. I I think I haven't found any proof that the Mansory is twin turboed. I think what Excel Racing are saying, they want proof. And look guys, there's no harm in asking for proof and solid facts on a twin turbo Mansory to say they're the first, because if you're going to claim something, you have to back it up with proof. So Excel Racing are asking for proof of the Mansory F12 being twin turboed. I checked out the video they sent me. It just looks like there's standard air boxes going into the manifold. You don't see turbos hidden anywhere. So again, until Mansory can come out and prove it, I can see their point. So yeah, we'll see what happens on that route as well, and about what happens. So XL Racing will come out with their video and their what they say about it as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Hopefully it wasn't too long again. Yeah, that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and you'll get involved and smash the subscribe button and like and comment below. That's what we're here to do guys, is discuss and give you a platform. And yeah, I think that'll be it for today. So until the next episode guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.